Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Ford Explorer. Stock number is A7512. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. Taking a look down the passenger side, you have 20-inch chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. You have second row bucket and third row bench seating. Up top you have a panoramic sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Rear backup camera and sensors. And then you also have dual point exhaust on the back. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so with the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. And your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Explorer on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.